In this video, I'm going to talk about the most reliable psychological tricks to attract anyone that actually worked. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. It's not really clear how people fall in love. People don't always know why certain things happen. But there are some things you can do to make it more likely that someone special will like you. Simple things like looking at the person you like, accepting their help, and smiling more can make them want you more. You can do things like take care of yourself and think about what you really want in a partner as you look for ways to make yourself more attractive. How to catch someone's eye? Look at the person you're interested in. Before you can make someone fall in love with you, you have to make sure that person knows you exist and that you are interested in him or her. Making eye contact is a simple and effective way to show someone you like them. Research has shown that keeping your eyes on someone for a long time can make you feel more attracted to them. Make eye contact and flirt with the person you like to get them interested. Try looking into the person's eyes for a few minutes and then slowly move your gaze elsewhere. Or, if a long stare doesn't seem right yet, try giving the person quick glances often to see how they are doing. Stand or sit in a way that makes you look like the person you like. Mirroring a person's body position can also show that you're interested in them and give them a chance to do the same. For example, if the person is leaning toward you with one arm on the table, you can lean in with the opposite arm so that you look like a mirror image of the person. Make sure you don't do this too much or it will be too clear that you are trying to copy their body position. You might even find yourself mirroring the other person without trying, which is even better because it will seem more natural. Smile and talk to people. Smiling is a simple way to show someone you like them and can also make you look more attractive. Make sure to smile at your date every once in a while to show that you're interested. Try to smile in a way that looks natural and easy. Don't try too hard or smile in a way you don't usually. Find out if the other person likes you. As you start to like someone, look for signs that he or she likes you back. If the person talks to you while smiling, making eye contact, and facing you, this could be a good sign. Watch out for other signs of good body language, like playing with your hair, touching your arm, or fidgeting with your clothes. Don't take it personally or get down on yourself if someone doesn't seem interested in you. Just keep looking. Ask for a date. Ask the person if they would like to hang out sometime if they seem interested. It can be scary to ask someone out, but if you don't, you might never find out if they're interested in you. Take a deep breath and tell the person that you'd like to hang out sometime. If you're feeling nervous, try being even less formal. Ask them something like, "What do you have planned for the weekend?" If the answer is vague, like "I was thinking about going to the beach on Saturday," use that to your advantage. Try saying, "It sounds like fun. Maybe we can get dinner together that night after work." Increasing chances that someone will fall in love. Let the person you like do nice things for you. Doing nice things for someone makes the person doing the nice things feel better than the person receiving the nice things. For example, if you buy someone coffee, you will feel better about that person than that person will feel about you. So, if you want to feel more affection, you should let the person you like do nice things for you. Just don't take advantage of his or her kindness and don't forget to repay the favor every once in a while. For example, you can let your love interest open doors for you and give you gifts for a while without returning the favor. Or ask the person you like to do something for you, like drive you home or help you solve a problem. Take the person you like on some fun dates. Putting yourself in an exciting situation can make you feel more attracted to someone, according to research. Use this to your advantage and plan a fun date with the person you want to fall in love with you. Remember that this strategy might not work if the person doesn't like doing exciting things. For example, you could go see a scary or action movie together, spend a day at an amusement park, or go bungee jumping. Respect the person's fears and don't try to make him or her do something he or she doesn't want to do. Think about being hard to get. Some studies have shown that people may find other people more attractive if they have to work harder to spend time with them. Try spending some good quality time with your love interest while you are still getting to know each other. Then, make yourself unavailable for a few days. Or, on one of your dates, you could act a little distracted to make the other person want you more. Remember that this plan might not work if you don't know the person very well. This trick works best on someone who likes you and knows you pretty well. Turn down the lights or go on more nighttime dates. Research has shown that having big pupils makes people look more attractive, so being in a dark room may make it more likely that someone will fall in love with you. Our pupils react to things we are interested in, so it may also be a good sign of how much your love interest likes you. Ask the person you like to go for a walk with you in the evening, or choose a restaurant with dim lighting and candles. Think about answering the 36 love questions with the person you like. If the person you're dating is up for it, you could try Arthur Aron's questions about how to get closer to each other. Some people who didn't know each other before they answered these questions have fallen in love and felt close to them. Just make sure the other person is willing to try the activity with you. Don't fool them or force them. Try saying something like, "Hey, I just read this strange article about 36 questions that are supposed to make anyone fall in love. Do you want to help me answer them for fun?" Finding the right person. Learn about yourself and what you want. You need to learn a lot about yourself before you can find someone who will meet your needs. Take some time to figure out what your emotional needs are and what your core values are. Write them down so you can look at them while you're looking for your future partner. Some good questions to think about are, what do you value most? Family? Career? A hobby? Your friends? Honesty? Loyalty? Or something else? Write down your values and then put them in order of how important they are to you. What do you want in a relationship? Understanding? Have a sense of humor? Kindness? Strength? Encouragement? Put the things you want from your future partner in order of how important they are to you. Make a list of the qualities you want your future partner to have. Think about what you really want in a partner before you go out looking for someone to fall in love with. Before you start looking for love, make a list of all the things you would like your future partner to have. What do you hope your future partner will be like? Do you want a person who enjoys reading? Likes to cook? Is he or she close to their family? Laughs at funny things? Treats you like a king or queen? Find someone who likes the same things you do. People are more likely to fall in love with people who share their interests, so join a club or join another group where you might meet someone. Even if you're physically attracted to someone, you might not be a good match for love if you have nothing in common with them. For example, if you help out at a local hospital as a volunteer, try to get to know the other volunteers. If you like to exercise, talk to people who go to the gym near you. You could also try a site for online dating. These sites can match you up with people who are interested in the same things as you are. This could make it easier for you to get to know someone on a first date. That's all for today's video. I will meet you soon with some more interesting topic that you need to know. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to like, share and follow my page. Thank you.